So students, in this lecture, I'll be telling you my analysis that what I think that can be the most probable questions from the topic from the chapter, the design philosophies. Right? So what I feel is that one question, it can be a straightforward question. Straightforward means it can either be based on the tensile strength. So what is the direct tensile strength? It is root 0.7 root FCK. It can be directly based on the modulus of elasticity, which is 5000 root FCK. It can be based on the ultimate modulus of elasticity, which is dependent on the creep coefficient theta. Clear? The direct question can be on the split tensile strength also. So there can be some straightforward questions, okay, from concrete as well as from the design philosophies. Now my second analysis is that one question, if you want, because for example in GATE examination, what the authorities are doing, they are not giving you straightforward question directly nowadays. So what they are doing, they are twisting questions. Sometimes they are combining the concepts of few other you can say subjects, right? So what I think is that a stress strain curve question can be there. So what type of stress strain curve question can be there? For example, this was the, let us say, this is the stress strain curve, let us say sigma epsilon for concrete, and this is the stress strain curve for, let us say, steel. Okay, so the question can be like this, that let us say that initially it is not straight, initially it is parabolic in nature, right? Let us say this is not a straight, this is also like this, right? So there can be some questions like this. Okay, the third type of question can be from the ultimate neutral axis as well as the natural neutral axis or the actual neutral axis. Okay, so amongst the three, what I feel is that this has the highest probability or the highest certainty that these types of questions can come. I have already discussed with you. For example, it is saying that the maximum strain in concrete, it is not 0.0035, let us say it is 0.0048. Right, and the strain up to the elastic limit is not, it is not 0.002, let us say it is 0.0038, something like that. Okay, so it is just it just wants to check whether you have clear concepts or not, or whether you have just, you can say, mugged up the formulae. Right, if you have mugged up the formulae, then the GATE people, they will set the question in such a way that you will not be able to answer. Right, but if you know the concept, if you know the concept of this strain diagram in the limit state method, the stress diagram in working stress method, you can easily solve any type of numerical. Right, so what I feel is that the highest probability can be the third topic, that is the axial and axial numericals. Right, so I have already solved a lot of numericals. I have already told you a type of numericals that come in examinations. So this was all about this topic, and from here your chapter gets finished, the chapter design philosophy gets finished. Now in next chapter we will be discussing about the other important aspects. Now the other important aspects of concrete structures, what I will be telling you, the basics of the code IS 456 2000, because I have already told you that there are a lot of clauses in IS 456 2000. It becomes next to impossible to learn all the clauses. But what are the important clauses in which the GATE authorities, the GATE examination is basically focused, right? So I'll be telling you all the aspects like shear, the anchorage, the splicing, like the bond, each and everything will be discussed along with the numericals. So let's meet at the next chapter. Thank you.